Welcome back to the podcast again. In this video, we are unpacking one of the most fascinating political comparisons echoing across East Africa right now. In African geopolitics, there is an old saying, when giants fight, the grass suffers. But when giants lose, the script was often written decades in advance. For years, analysts watched the extraordinary, tragic trajectory of Kenya's political titan, the late Raila Odinga, a man who spent decades on the cusp of state power, fought high-stakes international battles, and faced relentless opposition from regional heavyweights, including Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni. And now, as political observers look at former UN diplomat and Ugandan opposition figure Dr. Olara, a powerful question is being asked in political circle. Is Olaratulu's political destiny scripted exactly like Raila's? Did they face the same invisible wall built by regional power brokers? Did Yoweri Museveni play a hand in curbing both of their global and domestic ambitions? Let's run a deep search into our brain, the intelligence leaks, the diplomatic betrayals, and the striking parallels between these two political heavyweights. To understand this comparison, we have to go back to 2009 and 2010, an explosive diplomatic episode that many people have forgotten. Following Kenya's disputed 2007 election, Yoweri Museveni was among the first regional leaders to congratulate Mwai Kibaki, deeply angering Raila Odinga's camp, who insisted the vote was stolen. But behind closed doors, things got much dirtier. In December 2010, WikiLeaks released classified US State Department diplomatic cables. One cable revealed a secret meeting between an American embassy official and top Ugandan military leadership, including Army spokesman Felix Kulaigi. According to the leaked cable, Ugandan officials made a shocking allegation. They claimed that Prime Minister Raila Odinga was using his influence and even lobbying US President Barack Obama to advocate on behalf of Joseph Kony and the Lord's Resistance Army, that's LRA. The allegation was that Raila was trying to unite Luo-speaking communities across Western Kenya, Northern Uganda, and South Sudan, and that he was pushing Washington to halt military operations against Kony. Raila's team immediately dismissed the leak as far-fetched fiction, and the Ugandan military later claimed it was a fabrication. But the message was crystal clear. Kampala viewed Raila Odinga not just as an opposition leader in Kenya, but as a direct geopolitical threat to Museveni's regional security apparatus. Fast forward through the years, the rivalry between Museveni and Raila supposedly softened into pragmatic diplomacy. When Raila launched his high-profile campaign to become the chairperson of the African Union Commission, that's AUC, President William Ruto and regional leaders, including Museveni, publicly stood beside him. State dinners were held, handshakes were filmed in State House, and speeches were made promising East African solidarity. Yet, when the actual vote took place in Addis Ababa, the narrative collapsed. Despite holding an early lead, Raila was defeated in the later rounds by Djibouti's Mohamed Ali Yusuf. In Nairobi and across political forums, whispers turned into loud accusations. Did regional heads of state, including Museveni's diplomatic network, silently undermine Raila behind the scenes while offering lip service in public? Raila's subsequent passing marked the tragic hand of an era, a leader who shaped African democracy for decades, loved by millions, but perpetually denied the ultimate seat of power, both at home and at the continent's highest diplomatic institution. Now, bring Dr. Olara into the frame. Why are observers saying Otunnu's destiny was written from the same playbook? Look at the blueprint. First, the international sabotage. Just as Raila faced regional resistance during his AU bid. Olara experienced it decades earlier at the highest level in 1991 and 1996. When Otunnu's name surfaced as a Prime Minister, African candidate for UN Secretary General, President Museveni actively lobbied against him on the global stage. Because Otunnu had served as Foreign Minister under the Acholi regime, Museveni viewed him as an existential political threat. The Ugandan state actively blocked Otunnu's path to leading the United Nations, second the ethnic and regional framing. Just as Ugandan intelligence tried to tie Raila Odinga to a Luo expansionist agenda involving northern Uganda, Otunnu, a distinguished Acholi diplomat, spent decades fighting accusations from the state, while simultaneously having his passport blocked for over 20 years while living in exile. Third, the domestic political class sailing. Otunnu eventually returned to Uganda in 2009 to lead the Uganda's People's Congress as UPC and ran for the presidency. Like Raila in Kenya, Otunnu possessed world-class credentials, towering intellect, and international respect. But when he stepped into the trench of domestic opposition politics against an entrenched incumbent, the system ground his electoral ambitions down. But here is where the script gets truly surreal. In Kenya, after decades of fierce opposition, Raila Odinga famously engaged in the 2018 handshake with Uhuru Kenyatta and later forged a political truce with William Ruto. To his supporters, it was statesman-like pragmatism. To his critics, it was the neutralization of the opposition. And what happened in Uganda? After decades of battlefield, exile, and public attacks, Dr. Olara made headlines when he appeared alongside President Museveni, exchanging a public handshake arranged by Chief Justice Alphonse Windolo. Political analysts explicitly dubbed it Uganda's version of the Raila handshake. Two lifelong enemies, after decades of fighting for the soul of the state, sharing a room, smiling for the camera, and signaling a quiet recalibration at the twilight of their careers. So, is Dr. Otunnu's destiny scripted like Raila Odinga's? When you strip away the geography, the similarities are uncanny. Both were world-class intellects who commanded respect on the global stage. Both were blocked from reaching the peak of international diplomacy by state power plays. Both were framed as regional threats by intelligence apparatuses, and both ultimately navigated the bittersweet hack of African politics, fighting the regime for decades, only to end up shaking hands with the very system that constrained them. Raila Odinga left an untraceable mark on African democracy without ever occupying the state house. And Olara remains one of the most brilliant diplomatic minds Africa ever produced, regardless of the office he held back home. History might script the struggle, but it's the legacy that defines the man. Thanks for tuning into this deep dive. What do you think about the Raila Otunnu comparison? Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and share the episode with someone who loves African political history. Until next time, stay curious. Let me know, do you think it is scripted?